Welcome to 5-Minute Tech Clash. Today, we're bringing you an exciting showdown between the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 vs Galaxy Watch Ultra vs Galaxy Watch FE. Alright, let's compare the Galaxy Watch 7, Ultra, and FE. First, let's talk about the display. The Galaxy Watch 7 has a 0.5-inch Super AMOLED display with 480 by 480 resolution. The Galaxy Watch Ultra also features a 1.5-inch Super AMOLED display with the same 480 by 480 resolution. The Galaxy Watch FE has a smaller 1.2-inch Super AMOLED display with 396 by 396 resolution. Now onto the chipset. The Galaxy Watch 7 runs on the Exynos W1000 chipset with a penta-core CPU. The Galaxy Watch Ultra also uses the Exynos W1000 chipset with a penta-core CPU. The Galaxy Watch FE runs on the Exynos W100 chipset with a dual-core CPU. Next up, storage. The Galaxy Watch 7 offers 2 GB RAM and 32 GB internal storage. The Galaxy Watch Ultra matches that with 2 GB RAM and 32 GB internal storage. The Galaxy Watch FE provides 1.5 GB RAM and 16 GB internal storage. What about the battery? The Galaxy Watch 7 has a 425 mAh battery with wireless Qi charging. The Galaxy Watch Ultra boasts a larger 590 mAh battery, also with wireless Qi charging. The Galaxy Watch FE comes with a smaller 247 mAh battery and Qi wireless charging. The Galaxy Watch 7 is lightweight at 33.8 grams, 44 millimeters with an aluminum frame. The Galaxy Watch Ultra is heavier at 60.5 grams with a titanium frame. The Galaxy Watch FE is the lightest at 26.6 grams with an aluminum frame. Now let's talk about sensors. All three watches include an accelerometer, gyroscope, compass, barometer, heart rate monitor, temperature sensor, altimeter, and SpO2. What about connectivity? All watches have Wi-Fi support. The Galaxy Watch 7 and Ultra use Bluetooth 5.3, while the FE uses Bluetooth 5.0. NFC and GPS? Yes, all three have them. Water resistance? The Galaxy Watch 7 and FE are rated at 5 ATM. The Ultra, higher at 10 ATM. SIM support? All watches feature eSIM functionality. Audio capabilities? All three have a speaker and microphone for calls and voice commands. Let's discuss pricing. The Galaxy Watch 7 is priced at €319. The Galaxy Watch Ultra comes in at €699. The Galaxy Watch FE is the most affordable at €197. Now it's time to announce the winners. The winners are the Galaxy Watch 7 and Galaxy Watch Ultra. Both excel in different areas. The Galaxy Watch 7 is a winner for its slim body thickness, affordable price, and all-around special features. The Galaxy Watch Ultra is a winner for its exceptional battery capacity and superior water resistance. Which one's your pick? Watch 7, Ultra, or FE? Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support means the world to me.